One of Us is Lying is this sort of incredible mystery, realistic fiction book by Karen M. McManus. And basically, the book opens with four students heading into detention, all thinking that they don't really deserve to be there. And before long, a fifth student shows up. His name is Simon. He runs this popular gossip app called About That. It's one of these apps that comes out that like always tends to reveal some sort of like secret about different kids in the community. So it's very popular. Anyway, they're all at this detention, and all of a sudden, this kid, Simon, who runs the gossip column, he just is he dies in front of everybody. And the only one who's there are the teacher who's watching, holding the detention, and the four other students. So the four students who remain are the murder suspects. And as time goes on, you find out that not only were Bronwyn, Nate, Addie, and Cooper the only people in the room when he died, but they also had really incredible secrets that Simon was very close to publishing. And so the author writes it really well, where you kind of the whole time you think maybe this, maybe that, and it just blows your mind with sort of how the whole story ends. But a big, interesting sort of like question to think about as you're going through and talk about is this idea of like, how does gossip affect people and their community? And who's really responsible when things start to go wrong? It's a really incredible read. I highly recommend. It's one that you don't want to put it down. And then if you end up liking it, there's also a sequel called One of Us is Next that I immediately had to devour after I finished the first book.